Welcome to our Trade Policy Update. Today we delve into the latest developments in U.S. trade talks that could have significant implications for North America. Big moves are being discussed in Washington, where the political landscape is buzzing with activity. Advisors to President-elect Donald Trump are pushing for major tariffs on Mexico and Canada, aiming to reshape the trade dynamics in the region. Here's what we know so far. Trump's team is considering slapping a 25% import tariff on goods from both nations before any new trade negotiations begin. This move is seen as a bold step to assert U.S. interests and could take effect as soon as February 1st, 2025. The reasoning behind this aggressive strategy is multifaceted. The incoming administration wants to address critical issues like illegal immigration and drug trafficking, which they believe are exacerbated by current trade policies. Additionally, they aim to promote Trump's Buy American agenda to boost U.S. manufacturing and create more jobs domestically. However, these proposed tariffs are sparking concerns among various stakeholders. Critics argue they may violate the U.S.-Mexico-Canada Agreement, or USMCA, a trade deal designed to foster free trade across the continent. Canadian leaders, including Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, have warned of retaliation, indicating that this could escalate into a trade war. Ontario Premier Doug Ford even threatened to cut electricity exports to the U.S. if the tariffs are imposed, highlighting the potential for significant political fallout. Economists also fear these tariffs could disrupt supply chains, particularly in industries like automotive manufacturing, which rely heavily on cross-border trade. This disruption could raise costs for consumers and cause economic ripples on all sides of the border, affecting everything from grocery prices to the availability of goods. In short, while Trump's advisors hope to strengthen America's hand at the negotiating table, this aggressive strategy could backfire, triggering trade tensions and economic disruption. That's all for now. What do you think about this bold approach to trade talks? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Your opinions matter to us, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts on these critical trade issues. Stay tuned for more insights and updates on international trade and economic policies.